want to talk to you today about the highest and best use of land. We got a full acre here where we bought for $240,000, and it used to be an old mechanic shop. And people would ask me, why the hell would you buy an old mechanic shop? So the way I'm looking at it is, all right, well, let's see what the zoning factors are for Mecklenburg County. And let's look at an area that's very progressive, being gentrified. And there's areas like Sugar Creek, Enderley Park, north parts of Charlotte, west parts of Charlotte. These are two hot areas to really focus on land and pre-existing buildings. So we're gonna put 9 units on here for a total project of anywhere from 3.5 million to 3.8 million. So we're in the early stages of it now. We've got this heavy equipment here, pretty much developing the land right now. We've got about $340,000 in land costs, $240,000 for the land. When I say land costs, that's horizontal costs that actually develop. And then we've got a total of about $180,000 per unit as far as cost that we budget for the actual build out of the condos. We're gonna have 3-story, 2-car garage townhomes that range from $385,000 to $400,000. This is an area that's becoming pretty popular. It's just north of NoDa, and it's really progressing in this area. Look forward to showing you guys the units when they get completed. Stay tuned.